Finally, open na ang ato ang showroom diri sa Downtown Premier Residences. Definitely the only siya sa bus stop na currently gina-implement sa ato ang Davao Bus System. For only 14,000 pesos, maka-start na ka sa imuhang quality investment. Invest now at Downtown Premier Residences. Again, this is Davao Realtor. See you here.